where I can I hear you. Hey. Hello everyone.
This is that Bill Gates.
Please be seated for departure.
No onion, no pickle.
No onion, no pickle.
Oh, and no tomato.
No, she doesn't do tomatoes. No tomatoes. It'll ruin the burger. That's it. That's what most people not to drive that fast. Okay, so you're gonna limit it. They're doing just.
You're trying to record yourself. You can see yourself.
You want me to help with that one?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you. It's not the prettiest, but that was when I was younger.
No, you're done. A new path, right?
It's an acquired taste.
You know how to play this?
Yeah. Do you know?
You really do?
Yeah. What is up, vlog? I could finally sit down and talk to y'all. I'm in California visiting family. I originally came here to get my grandma and bring her back home to New York because she didn't want to take the plane by herself, which is understandable at her age. So I came down here just to take her back to New York, but just deciding also to stay a little while. I here from Friday to Tuesday night, and I'll get back to New York Wednesday morning. And yeah, last night I went to In-N-Out after we landed. It's something I've always wanted to like try. It's mid. And then today I chilled with the family in the morning, and then we went to two wineries and they were so nice. My aunt, she likes to go to wineries, something I didn't know about, so she wanted to show me and my other aunt the wineries that are around her neighborhood, and I had a good time just chilling, talking, but it was nice. It was still a vibe. I had a good time. Yeah, and now we're back at the house chilling with the fam. Yeah, and we'll see what the rest of the trip entails. Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday and I am all ready for church. My dress is from Shein, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear a cardigan, don't worry, because we know this is too much. But yeah, I just wanted to check in, say good morning. I think I'm gonna go in the backyard and chill for a little bit because it's so peaceful and beautiful with all the chickens with all the chickens and stuff. So yeah, just waiting for my aunt and uncle. Everybody else is ready. Now we're just, yeah, gonna see if I can get some pictures and stuff outside while I wait. Oh, and I have to edit April vlog, guys. I've been so like, it's been so much happening back to back. Like even when I come back from Cali, like the day of, I have to go straight to work because I didn't know that our flight lands in the morning. Then I have to go. It's just a lot, just a lot. But we thank God. So yeah. The chickens. I know y'all hear them. They're all in there, just going away. But look at this view. It is so pretty. I gotta take some pictures. What is up, vlog? Today is Monday, May 5th, I believe. Oh, Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, today I'm still in Cali and I am about to head out with my uncle and aunt to this national park in California. Don't mind the roosters and the chickens. Yeah, we're going to this national park that my uncle want to show us, and yeah, it's about a 2-hour and change drive, so it's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna be working while we're driving up there. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. You can hear the roosters. A beautiful way to wake up. It reminds me so much of Haiti, like, and it makes sense that my aunt did this because I know she misses Haiti. So this is like, I call it a little Haiti in their backyard. And also in the part of California that they live, I feel like it's like a little Haiti, because it's so rural. It's so like, it's just like so much land, and like there's no city life, and I like it. It's very slow paced, but like, I don't know, I'm not there yet where I can live in a place where it's fully slow paced. Like, I like a place like it's city but suburban. I hear you. It's like city and kind of like rural at the same time. I like places like that, so I could get both a fast pace and slow pace. Oh my gosh, look at the blue, is that a blue robin or something? Oh, it disappeared. Oh, but yeah, we hear you, bro. Like, not too much.
Some names are
What is this?
It's showing you how long that tree.
This is about the history.
From the beginning.
That tree was growing. This is what happening in life.
Oh, okay.
So this tree was actually cut down around
1930.
1930. The tree fell in 1930. So from here to here, it's like 22 years.
That's crazy.
Grow.
Photoshop. Okay, there you go.
They got me outside, y'all. Been feeling the bugs. The city girl.
Hey, you are in their habitat.
How old are you today? 81.
You feel?
You feel 21?
Maybe 40. What do you have?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Longhorn. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Okay, everybody digging.
Blow out your candle. What is up, YouTube? I haven't seen you guys in a minute, but today is Memorial Day and I plan to stay home, but that's changing. I'm going to hang out with some friends because some people are leaving to go back to the UK and we want to just chill with them before they leave. And yeah, we'll just see where the day takes us. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for my friend Nikki and Burley to come get me because I'm finally not driving today. So yeah, the natural hair is back. I'm tired of it already, but yeah. Say hi to my vlog, y'all. Hold on. The sun.
I forget you actually have a camera.
Yeah,
Today is Memorial Day. Oh wait, we made it out the group chat.
No,
Made it out the group chat. Dubai 2026.
Getting ready to board the yacht.
yeah. That's so bye. You wish you was here.
You wish she was here.
You wish you were here.
It's okay. You guys are gonna tune in.
Amen. Yeah.